Pag numerical limitations, isa lang po yung ibig sabihin nito. Wala pa pong ready na visa for you. Think of it this way. Ang dami-dami po kasi nag-a-apply to become a US immigrant. Hindi lang po yung Pilipinas, but, countries all over the world. So, syempre, limitado lang po yung binibigay na visa ng US. Kaya po tayo may priority date kasi yan yung nagdetermine ng place natin sa pila. So, halimbawa, parang pupunta ka sa isang state, sa isang arena, for the lack of a better example. And the arena can only accommodate 1,000 people. Tapos, pang 1,800 ka sa pila. So, malamang sa malamang, hindi ka talaga makakapasok. Sa pangalawang araw ka na lang kasi pang 1,800 ka, makakapasok ka na. So, parang ganon. All you have to do is just make sure that you're patient at chine-check niyo po talaga yung visa bulletin para alam niyo kung kailan na kayo dapat mag-e-expect ng next step or notice of action from NBC. I actually plan to create a video about this, about, understanding priority dates, understanding visa bulletin, para po talaga I can have a more, I can have a clear picture about how this all works. And I guess that's a really important piece of the puzzle, especially if you're trying to understand all of these things. But then again, thank you for just commenting, for engaging with my content. And make sure naman po to also check out some of the other videos. I'll be linking, understanding F2B and all that sa video na ito. So, I hope you can check it out. Sobrang pagod na ako kasi gabing-gabi na, pero I still like looking at the comments, and thank you so much for the support.